Besties, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make some potatoes. As you can see, we are peeling our potato. Meanwhile, to those that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Like my videos, share my videos, click the red bell icon to get notified whenever I upload the video. Do not forget to comment down below. Let me see what you think about this video that we are making. Meanwhile, to those that have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you very much guys for your love and support. I do really appreciate you guys. As you can see, we have already peeled our potatoes, so we are going to cut them into our desired shapes. After that, we are going to wash them, then put them on fire for 10 to 15 minutes. Then add some salt and cover, then let them cook. After cooking our potatoes, we're going to put our pan into the fire, then add some vegetable cooking oil. Then here we are going to add some spices that we are going to use in marinating our pre-cooked potatoes. Here we're going to add some mixed spices, coriander leaves, garlic powder, cumin powder. Then after that, we are going to mix everything together into our pre-cooked potatoes, as you can see in the video. Then we are going to add our potatoes into hot oil. Let them fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. After frying our potatoes, we are going to remove them from the oil, as you can see in the video. Then after that, we are going to fry our sausages. The sausage are already done, so we are going to put again our pan into the oil. We're going to put our pan into the fire, then add some 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add some onions, let them cook for 5 minutes. Then add some bell peppers, as you can see in the video. Then we're going to add some tablespoon of salt and a half tablespoon of mixed spices. Then combine everything together. Then add our potatoes that we had already fried earlier. Then we are going to mix everything together to combine. And here we are, our potato is ready. Please, if you enjoy this video, do not forget to subscribe. As you can see, very yummy and so delicious, restaurant style. Thank you guys for watching.